Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to make the flip-flop LED circuit. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification for new video. Let's understand how to use a breadboard. Here these lines are horizontally connected. I will be using these for the power supply. And those lines are vertically connected. I will be using those for components connection. For this project, we need two BC547 transistors, two 100 microfarad capacitors, two 10 kilo ohms resistors, two 220 ohms resistors, two 5 mm LED lights, and some connectors. Place the transistors on the breadboard like this. Connect the emitter of both transistors with the negative power supply line of the breadboard. Connect 10 kilo ohms resistors with the base of both of the transistors like this. Now connect the other terminal of resistors together with a connector like this. Now connect a 100 microfarad capacitor with the base of the Q1 transistor. Then connect the collector of the Q2 transistor with the anode of the capacitor. Similarly, connect another capacitor with the base of the Q2 transistor. Then connect the anode of the capacitor with the collector of the Q1 transistor. Connect 220 ohms resistor with the anode of both capacitors like this. Connect LED positive with 10 kilo ohms resistor and negative with 220 ohms resistor. Similarly, connect another LED on the right side. Now connect the LED positive terminal with a positive power supply. The circuit connection is completed. Let's test it. I'm providing a 5-volt power supply. You can use 5 to 9-volt power supply for this project. It's working properly. I hope this video would be helpful for your school or college project. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.